Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. In last video we have discussed types of solution on the basis of phase of solvent and solute. Now we have to discuss types of solution on the basis of quantity of solute and solvent. Means we have to discuss types of solution on the basis of quantity of solute and solvent. So first type is saturated solution. First type is saturated solution. What is saturated solution? The solution which contains maximum amount of solute at normal temperature called saturated solution. Means the solution which contains maximum amount of solute at normal temperature called saturated solution. Saturated solution means in saturated solution you cannot add any other amount of solute. One more thing, there is a equilibrium between solute and solution. There is a equilibrium between solute and solution. Okay, so this is the saturated solution. Now another type is unsaturated solution. So this is also very easy. Unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. What is unsaturated solution? The solution which contains less amount of solute than saturated solution called unsaturated solution. Called unsaturated solution. One more thing, in unsaturated solution we can add some amount of solute. Means some amount of solute can be added in unsaturated solution. Okay, next type is supersaturated solution. Next type is supersaturated solution. So what is supersaturated solution? The solution which contains much amount of solute than saturated solution means the solution contains much amount of solute than saturated solution. Supersaturated solution is unstable, very unstable solution. Okay, supersaturated solution is unstable in nature. For example, sodium thiosulfate. When we heat sodium thiosulfate very carefully, then after crystallization it converts into supersaturated solution, means it form supersaturated solution. Now other thing is dilute and concentrated solution. Dilute and concentrated solution. Dilute solution. What is dilute solution? The solution which contains a small amount of solute. The solution which contains a small amount of solute in unit volume of solution is called dilute solution. Means the solution which contains a small amount of solute in unit volume of solution called dilute solution. And the other type is concentrated solution. Concentrated solution. So what is concentrated solution? The solution which contains much amount of solute in unit volume of solution called concentrated solution. Means the solution which contains much amount of solute in unit volume of solution called concentrated solution. Concentrated solution. For example, suppose that a solution of 1 liter contains 10 ml of solute, 10 ml of solute, and other solution contains 20 ml of solute in 1 liter. Means this is the first solution and this is the second solution. Then we can say first solution is dilute solution in comparison to second solution, and second one is concentrated than first solution. Okay, so these are the types of solution on the basis of quantity of solute and solvent. Okay, now next topic is methods of expressing the concentration of solution. Methods of expressing the concentration of solution. Okay, so concentration, okay, we can categorize it in three categories. First one is in terms of percentage. In terms of percentage. So first one is in terms of percentage. So first one is mass percentage. What? Mass percentage. This is also called W by W percentage. Means in this type the mass, the ratio of mass of solute to the mass of solvent or solution. Okay, next one is volume percentage, means V by V percentage. Next one is mass volume percentage, means W by V percentage. Now other type is in terms of gram per liter. Gram per liter concentration or strength in gram per liter. So first is normality. Normality, this is represented by capital N. Second one is molarity, represented by capital M. Next one is formality, represented by capital F. Okay, in next one is in terms of mass by mass relation. So first is molality. Molality, represented by small m, and second one is mole fraction. Mole fraction. These are the methods of expressing the concentration of solution. Okay, we will discuss in detail each of the methods in next video. Okay, thank you very much. Keep this much for today. Thank you.